Australia must be the only country in the world where you can be refused your permanent resident application simply because you get married or enter into a de facto relationship. Hi, I'm Karl Konrad and welcome to our channel here at Australian Immigration Law Services. Today we're talking about the circumstances in how applicants for the 189, 190 and 491 visas lose points if they were to get married or enter a de facto relationship after the visa has been applied for. Yes, you heard that right. If you lodged your application as a single person and then during the many months or years of processing you long for a partner and you enter into a spousal relationship, your application is likely to be doomed. This is because Australia allocates 10 points for being single, but if you get married or enter a de facto relationship after you apply, then you may lose points. Let's take a quick look at how the partner point system works. The first thing to be aware of is that partner points are not set at the time you receive your invitation to apply for the visa like many other point scores. The points are allocated at the time your application is assessed, and that can be years later. The skill select system will allocate points for partner relationship status as follows. Single, skill select will award 10 points. Engaged, skill select will award 10 points. Separated, skill select will award 10 points. Divorced, skill select will award 10 points. Married, skill select will award 0 points. And de facto, skill select will award 0 points. So if you were single when you applied and then married, you may be allocated 0 points instead of 10 points. Application refused. If you were single when you applied but then entered into a de facto relationship, you get 0 points instead of 10 points. Application refused. The law is clear. If you cannot reach the points you claimed in your expression of interest, the EOI, then your application must be refused. Remember, this is not us who is projecting our version of processing. The Immigration Department on their website has released the following information in the March Skill Select newsletter. GSM visa applicants' marital status will sometimes change between lodging the EOI, lodging the visa application, and when a decision is made on points. This change of status may result in the loss or gain of points at visa assessment. For example, a person assigned 10 points as single at EOI may lose these 10 points at the visa application stage if they have subsequently married or entered into a de facto relationship. You will find a link to this information in the description below. This means the moment you even think of yourselves as being a de facto couple, then you may also be doomed. Perhaps it wouldn't be so bad if these visas were processed swiftly. There are many 489 applicants who have been waiting for more than 3 years to be allocated a case officer. That is a long time for those who are single when they lodge to remain single. Many would argue, like me, that this crazy system is a blatant breach of a person's human rights to be denied from falling in love and entering into a partner relationship. Forcing people to choose over love or their residency application, well, is just simply cruel. On top of this, what do you think actually happens next when people fall in love? Are they going to declare it to the Immigration Department as they're meant to? No, of course, many will choose not to. So the law-abiding, well-educated, skilled applicants we are trying to attract to this country will become criminals by hiding this relationship from the department. Is that the scenario the department thinks is a good idea? So, what do you do if you've fallen in love, married, or entered into a de facto relationship while your application is being processed? If you find yourself in a sticky situation like this, you better give us a call. And for all of you out there who have a partner lined up to marry or move in with, well, you better give us a call as well. Sorry to put a downer on your romance, everyone, but at least you should be pre-warned what the consequences are if you're still being processed. Of course, after your visa is granted to you, you are free to marry and live together as de factos, and then you can sponsor your partners, and thank goodness for that. As always, I hope you've found this video helpful and it may have saved you from a earth-shattering mistake. If your partner's going to divorce you after watching this, then don't call us. No, just kidding. You can consult with us via Zoom, Skype or the telephone, and our consultations help you steer you into saving your application. Book a time on our website that suits you, and whilst our regular consultations are booked out 3 weeks ahead, we do reserve a couple of spots a day for urgent consultations. As always, take care out there and I'll see you next time. So bye for now.